No matter the size of your farm, Prism is the only system you need to help run your business. From stallions to hobby breeders, the Prism Breeders portal allows you to manage everything: owners, horses, communications, movements, accounts, staff and suppliers. Even the tricky things breeders need to manage: stallion bookings, procedures, automated contracts, mare cycle management. Prism's breeding platform allows it all to be overseen effectively in one place. Using the power of automation with smart tools and processes, you can save time and money, and more importantly, focus on breeding exceptional horses.
So here at Glen Eden Stud, we use Prism for booking the horses in for agistment, booking them for stallion nominations, and it's handy for me to know what's happening on the farm whilst I'm away. I don't see how we would run as smoothly as we do without Prism.
We found it really, really good. It has improved efficiency, it has improved the knowledge between staff and the interaction between staff, because they're all able to access the one system and see what is going on with every horse just by simply connecting to it through their phone. There's a huge amount that goes into running a stud farm. The system takes care of a lot of the bookwork and bookkeeping, which otherwise I would have had to sit down for hours and input data. It just makes everyone's life a lot easier.